So guys, it was a pretty big storm last night. As you can see, the trees are down, and I actually don't remember it. I don't know. I fell asleep. I just remember the wind, and it's kind of rainy today, but it's fine. It's not hot. But yeah, as I saw, there was a storm. Very strange. So it's a beautiful morning, and it's kind of chilly. I love that. I'm gonna have something for breakfast, something light because of my stomach. And oh, I can't believe that 7:30 evening I'm gonna have my tooth probably extracted. We'll see. But I think it's better during the night. Maybe I'll just sleep it off. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. But it's a beautiful, crisp, green morning after rain. The smell is great, and yeah, my feet are wet. That's the only bad thing. So guys, the roses are beautiful, and this is Indian lilac, which is very poisonous plant, but it's beautiful when you look at it. Look, so beautiful. So purple, you can't see it really, but I have to walk over plums now because there are plums above my head. And they are fermented, so they stink like alcohol. And here comes the sun, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Yes. It's so green and blue and oh, beautiful, beautiful. You see, those are the little things in life that go far, far, and people just don't get. Yep, people don't understand that life is too beautiful to spend it badly. You know, it's just looking at the green, it makes you happy. And this is the, oh, they mown the lawn, the grass with it, this grass. I always like this way. Look how beautiful it is. And there's rain on it. Oh, guys. Oh, look at the sun. So beautiful.